Good morning, everyone. Good morning to you, Dr. Borlio. Today, I will be presenting a research proposal entitled School Climate and Professional Development as Predictors of Teachers' Work Performance of Francisco Adlaon Learning Institute Incorporated. This research proposal is presented to the Faculty of Institute of Advanced Studies of Davao del Norte State College. So in the pursuit of quality education, the role of teachers is highly important. Their performance significantly impacts students' learning outcomes and determines the school's success. However, teachers' performance nowadays has become a problem in different educational institutions. It was influenced by different factors such as school climate and professional development. According to Kanya et al. 2021, education is one of the important factors in the development of a nation. High or low quality of education is not only caused by the educational process, but can also be influenced by the low performance of teachers as educators. The study of Abacunda 2023 entitled Navigating Global Challenges in Teacher Performance, Strategies and Implications stated that in the United States, for instance, teacher work performance has become a subject of intense political debate, leading to policy changes such as the abolition of teacher tenure and the extension of the waiting period for tenure eligibility in several states. Similarly, the United Kingdom experienced low teacher morale in 2000, prompting the implementation of annual performance reviews as a measure to address the issue. Across Africa, the challenges associated with declining teacher performance are even more pronounced. In South Africa, a significant number of schools are plagued by dysfunction due to dispirited and underperforming teachers. The Program for International Student Assessment or PISA survey in 2018 has released that the quality of Indonesian education is still in the 10th lowest category, both in the fields of literacy, science, and mathematics. This is due to the disparity and low quality of teachers. With the low quality of teacher, it will have an impact on various things, including achievement and learning process for students. Here in the Philippines, the study of Abaro 2018 determined the different factors affecting the performance of public school teachers working in the division of Antipolo City. The study found out that variables such as civil status, highest educational attainment, and local seminars attended and scholastic performance are factors affecting the performance of teachers, while sex, the age, types of family, religion, type of high school attended, lat performance, length of service, the annual salary, and number of preparations in teaching, international, national, regional seminars attended do not affect the performance of teachers. Now, let's proceed to the local studies. Here in Davao del Sur, problems related to teachers' work performances arises in some areas. The study of Pulestico 2024 determined the impact of factors affecting teachers' performance of public elementary teachers. The results of the study revealed that for the level of contributing factors in teaching performance, the overall rating was obtained in the following contributing factors. First, person-related factor, followed by school-related factor, then third one is learner-related factor, and community-related factor. Based on the multi-group structural equation modeling and mediation analysis of a sample of 4,594 primary school teachers in China, the study of Kosare et al. 2022 revealed that school climate affects teachers' performance. The study of Tantawi 2020 entitled Investigating Teachers' Perceptions on the Influence of Professional Development on Teachers' Performance and Career Progression revealed the positive influence of professional development on their professional performance. Now, based on the previous study, no research has been found that discusses both school climate and professional development as predictors of teacher performance together. Also, the researchers found out that there were no studies using awareness and orientation of learning as indicators of professional development, combined with school climate with indicators, namely vision and mission, work environment, communication, and administration as predictors of teachers' performance. Now, the urgency of conducting this study lies in its potential to address critical gaps in understanding the factors influencing teacher effectiveness. With the growing demand for quality education, it is imperative to explore how the school's environment and opportunities for professional growth impact teachers' productivity and performance. The findings of this study will provide actionable insights that can guide the institution in creating a supportive school climate and implementing targeted professional development programs, enhancing the overall quality of education delivered to students. Now, let's proceed to the research objectives. This study will be conducted to determine the influence of school climate and professional development to the teacher's work performance. More specifically, the study seeks to answer the following objectives. First, what is the level of school climate in terms of vision and mission, work environment, communication, administration? And number two, what is the level of professional development in terms of, number one, awareness, number two, orientation of learning. Third, what is the level of teachers' work performance in terms of task performance, contextual performance, and counterproductive work behavior? Fourth, is there a significant relationship between school climate and teachers' work performance and professional development and teachers' work performance? Last, do school climate and professional development significantly predict teachers' work performance? So, those are the research objectives. Now, let's proceed to the hypothesis. The following are the hypotheses provided by the researchers used as basis for further investigation at 0.05 level of significance. There is no significant relationship between school climate and teachers' work performance. There is no significant relationship between professional development and teachers' work performance. Third, school climate does not significantly predict teachers' work performance. And fourth, professional development does not significantly predict teachers' work performance. Now, let's proceed to the theoretical or conceptual framework. This study is anchored in the school climate theory, which refers to the shared perceptions of the school's environment, encompassing factors such as safety, relationships, quality, and instructional support. However, Tubbs and Garner 2008 in their study presented vision and mission, work environment, communication, and administration as important components of school climate, which is still related to the indicators presented in the school climate theory. Furthermore, the adult learning theory or andragogy by Malcolm Knowles 1968 will be also used in the study, which emphasizes that adults are self-directed learners who bring prior experience to their learning environments and seek immediate application of new knowledge through awareness and orientation of learning. On the other hand, this study will anchor as well in the statement of Beachy 2017 in his study entitled Evaluation of Teacher Performance in Schools, Implication to Sustainable Development Goals, that the only way to determine the effectiveness of a teacher is through assessment. So in connection to this, the study of Koopman et al. 2014 presented 3 indicators of work performance, namely task performance, contextual performance, and counterproductive performance, which completely made up the individual work performance questionnaire or the IWPQ. So presented here is the figure 1, which is the conceptual paradigm of the study, wherein school climate and professional development, together with the different indicators, serve as the independent variable, which is connected to the dependent variable, which is teachers' work performance, with 3 indicators, namely task performance, contextual performance, and counterproductive work performance or the counterproductive work behavior. So this is the conceptual paradigm of the study. So now, let's proceed to the chapter 2, which is the methods. So research design. This study will utilize a quantitative correlational research design in order to analyze the relationship between school climate, professional development, and teachers' work performance. According to Macombes 2020, a correlational research design measures a relationship between two variables without the researcher controlling either of them. So, next is the research subjects. The respondents of the study are the faculty members of Francisco Adlaon Learning Institute Incorporated for school year 2024-2025. Specifically, there are 37 teachers which will be part of the study. In selecting the respondents, the researchers will apply the complete enumeration, which means that all of the faculty members will become the participants of the study. So here is the distribution of respondents. Presented here are the preschool, elementary, and junior high school teachers, with preschool 4, elementary 10, junior high school and senior high school 23, wherein we have a total of 37 faculty members of Francisco Adlaon Learning Institute Incorporated, which will serve as the respondent of the study. Now, let's proceed to the research question. So for the research questions, 3 sets of research tools were utilized by the researchers in the study. In measuring the level of school climate, a standardized survey questionnaire will be used. The researcher will be adopting the 28 Likert scale questions designed by Joseph and Associates 2007, which is cited in the study of J. Tubbs and Mary Carter of Kennesaw State University, which focused on vision and mission, work environment, communication, and administration. So each of the items will be evaluated on a 4-point Likert scale ranging from 1 as strongly disagree to 4 as strongly agree. Each expression was assigned to an appropriate weight to indicate the level of agreement or disagreement. Internal consistency was determined by applying the alpha reliability coefficient, which yielded an internal consistency reliability coefficient for an overall survey instrument reliability of 0.89. So here is the parameter limits of school climate. We have the parameter limits, descriptive equivalent, and the interpretation. So on the other hand, the researchers adopted a validated 15-item professional survey questionnaire or PDQ with an alpha value of 0.973 crafted by Bautista et al. 2017, which focuses on the importance of teachers' awareness and orientation of learning of a continuous professional development program. So presented here as well is the parameter limits of professional development from 1 to 5. Pertaining to the level of teachers' work performance, Individual Work Performance Questionnaire or the IWPQ, which was used in the study of Koopman 2014, will be adopted by the researchers. Indicators such as task performance, contextual performance, and counterproductive work behavior will help the researchers gather data about the researchers' work performance in Francisco Adlaon Learning Institute Incorporated. The survey questionnaire will be answered through a 5-point Likert scale. 5 means the always, 4 means often, 3 means sometimes, 2 means seldom, and 1 means never. So here is the parameter limits of teachers' work performance together with the descriptive equivalent and the interpretation. So let's proceed to the statistical treatment of the data. So how the data will be treated. First is mean. This was used to measure the levels of extent of school climate, professional development, and teachers' work performance. This will answer questions number 1, 2, and 3. For the person-product movement correlation, or the person R, this was used to determine if there is a significant relationship between school climate and teachers' work performance, and also professional development and teachers' work performance. This will answer problem number 4. Now, regression analysis. This was used to predict relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable if in our study, for example, if school climate and professional development significantly predict the teachers' work performance of Francisco Adlaon Learning Institute Incorporated. So based on this research proposal, my conclusion is that the study entitled School Climate and Professional Development as Predictors of Teachers' Work Performance of Francisco Adlaon Learning Institute Incorporated highlights the significant impact of a supportive school climate and targeted professional development of teachers' performance. The findings will provide a foundation for future researchers to explore the interplay between these factors and work performance, offering valuable insights for enhancing educational outcomes. Moreover, the study's implications extend beyond education, demonstrating the broader relevance of fostering positive organizational climates and continuous training to boost productivity, morale, and innovation in various fields. By emphasizing these aspects, the research underscores the vital role of teachers in driving institutional success and student achievement. So this is my research or thesis proposal, which consists of the chapter 1 and chapter 2. Thank you so much for listening, and God bless us all.